on to first aid real quick. I got my boo-boo kit. I use this a lot, you know, so I'm always cutting myself or somebody's cutting themselves. I have a Ranger band. Pop it up. I have little labels inside to tell me what's inside here. I'm looking through it real quick. I got my gloves, got my band-aids, got my antiseptic wipes. What's interesting is this. You see these little these straws, eh? Well, this is antiseptic wipe in there. Okay? Waterproofed, airproofed. And in here, I have pills, headache pills, eh? Advils, also known as ibuprofen, gauze. Everything looks good. Nothing looks wet, contaminated, dirty. So I'm going to say that's good to go. This one, I know a lot of the kids go through this one a lot. They like this one, you know. And this one has all the, and everything, look at that. Label everything, eh? 3 meter gauze, I label everything. It's just, everything is labeled. I think, I don't know, my OCD kicking in. Same thing here. Ibuprofen, 400 milligrams in a tube. And I find the little things to organize my stuff, eh? You know, so this is good. I know that. So that's good. More ibuprofen in a little tiny candy can. And a candy can. So this sucker is hard to open, but hey, there you go. Ibuprofen. Nice. Good. Good store there. Penitin. It's common skin irritations, eh? And it really works for me. I wrote in the back again. Sunburn, burns, itching, and rash, eh? I get like real dry legs, like on my ankles and my feet. I put this on, no problem. I have a good rest. Got the old scissors here. And these are very easy, and I used a little bit of paper towel as a cover because of this pokey part. More gauze. First aid little Gorilla Tape wrapped up in a Ziploc, keep it water resistant. I love these pads, man. They really work. You know, after a day's work, you're working hard in the bush, you know, chopping wood, hauling wood, splitting wood, setting up your camp, hiking. You know, you get sore muscles. And these packs really help me. And they're only a couple bucks and change, eh? But they really help. So I got to stock up on these. And that's it for that. We are done with that.